Payton flipped open her favorite book, The Dragon's Secret, only to gasp. Lucas, the last 3 pages are missing. Lucas, her best friend and partner in solving mysteries, leaned over. That's the 3rd book this week. Something weird is going on. Determined, the duo declared, it's time to become book detectives. At the library, Payton and Lucas noticed a trail of tiny paper scraps leading to the study room. They followed it, discovering a riddle written on a crumpled bookmark. To find the thief who's been unkind, solve the riddle. Clue you'll find. I hold stories, old and new. Look for me where numbers are few. Payton snapped her fingers. The rare book section. They hurried over and spotted the culprit, a mischievous magpie flitting about with pages in its beak. It had been building a nest in the library rafters. Working together, Payton and Lucas gently gathered the missing pages and created a cozy book-filled corner for the magpie. Now it has its own stories, Lucas said with a grin. Case closed, Payton said, high-fiving her friend. Until the next bookish mystery. The end. Sally Kally, reading.com.